We have to do a search of your bag during the search. Don't touch the bag.
Oh, hang on. Hand them to me. Home. All right, so today was a rough travel day. I'm in a bad mood. I'm gonna try and turn things around by running to Laughlin for the River Run motorcycle rally. It ends today, it might already be over, I have no idea. I'm just gonna try and get down there, get some cool shots. All right, maybe I'll make it. If I make it, you'll get a couple shots of motorcycles. I'm hoping to get a new motorcycle ring. If I don't make it, then this was just a long drive listening to conservative talk radio. Stand by.
I need your love too much.
Okay, so far this has been a killer success. I've got 2 rings and I've got 15 minutes before everything closes. This trip could not have gone better. Not only did I find brand new rings that I love, I found the one that I was exactly looking for. Hey, buddy. I already feel it. 2 corn dogs was a mistake. That's a nice bike. Yeah, 2 corn dogs was a mistake.
Thanks very much, man.
Let's go home. And I got in and out of the rally in under an hour. Thank you, Laughlin. You were scummy and beautiful as usual. So I'm cheating. I'm driving a car to a motorcycle rally. This is like a serious faux pas. And for any other riders out there, I apologize. I had to make phone calls on the way. It's no excuse. You don't drive to a motorcycle rally.